Awesome way to cut with the circular saw. Perfect cuts all the time. This is the woodland having to cut 79 inches. I'll put my mark down at 79 inches right here. Your circular blade and the distance in the guard. You just measure that. Put a straight stick and put this wooden ruler down. And once you put your blade down, it would rest with the ruler, and you would get amazingly perfect cuts all the time. Watch. Without this cinch up high, it's just perfect. You get awesome cuts straight all the time.